G'day team, Jack Huang here from RosterElf, and in this quick video I'll show you how to process sick leave and payroll, so every staff member is paid correctly. Let's dive straight in. How to view sick leave shift notes. Open the payroll screen and look for any shift that reads No Time Clock Records. Spot the small emoji in the shift notes column. The sick face tells you the employee was marked unwell. Click that emoji icon to pop open the shift notes and confirm the absence details. How to approve sick leave and enter hours. Hit the Employee on Leave banner at the bottom of the payroll screen to start the approval. Type in the number of hours you are paying as sick leave so payroll reflects the correct entitlements. Add a brief description, such as sick leave, flu, to keep the records clear. Select Save. Send to 0 to lock in the update and push the data straight to your accounts. That's it. Sick leave processed and payroll balanced. If you need a hand, our support crew is only a chat or call away 7 days a week. Until next time, happy rostering.